बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम व ख़ातमन नबिय्यीन सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Welcome to Working and Earning Tech channel. How to extend the life of any freezer fridge condenser motor. It was complained by the customer that this China motor that is used in fridge or freezer condenser, it doesn't work more than 6 months. So I directly come to the point and I open the motor. Here we will learn. This is the motor oiling bush. I point out, and this is the second bush. The main reason of getting jam, low quantity of oil added by the company. Here we will try to add additional oil by filling foam pieces. We will insert the foam pieces under seal between bush and steel seal, and we will add additional oil. Here please see the motor directly. My senior technicians can easily remove the seal and fill the foam and then add the oil. It's okay, no problem. But here directly I insert the foam. Okay. You can remove this steel seal or you can insert the foam. It would be better if you remove the seal and then set it again, or you can insert the foam like this. Actually, it is the business ideas of companies, but here we trace the fault that was from the company. See please. Both side bushes. Here I added the oil. The oil should be very good quality that you are going to use. Here I complete this video. Jazakallah, please like and share. It's well working motor, no complaint again. Take care of yourself during job. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.